Thank you. Thank you. About to get on this. Thank you. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
This is comfortable.
I'll sit right here. Ah, that one's off. Oh yeah.
Be on the water.
Yeah, I want to be swimming.
Huh?
The guy's riding by himself.
Who? Man, we drifting this way.
You in charge? You got him? I'm not asking you. Can you watch him?
Oh, that's what the kids see? Right here?
If they want.
Oh.
Anybody could sit there.
Vicky, stop!
Sorry. I'm gonna sit on this side.
Thanks a lot.
Trying to say, Mom. I don't know how many people drop their phone in this water.
Don't even think about it.
In the water.
What family were you?
Family reunion. Who we introduce it? Don't get me started.
That's it.
Pues sí, ya no hay más. Métanse los demás si quieren. Ay, no.
Los que quieren. Let's go. Vénganse, no se quedan.
Mejor que se queden. Just for us.
I don't touch my phone, so I won't drop it in the water.
I can't swim, so if we topple over, I'm out of there. I might be trying to grab onto somebody. You know?
Like good, that's how it is.
Okay, that's how it is? Okay. Because my son and my daughter can't swim either, so we try to grab onto somebody. You can swim?
Larry, don't.
Larry?
I know how to swim, so.
I'm on your back.
You'll be the first one gone. Oh, Terrence, why you hope I drop it? Later.
I'll be holding on to Larry like, boy, sincere, grab on to me.
Jeremiah.
Waiting to get on the boat. Everybody on this boat right now with us.
David. Tell
About
Dad to
26
send
of them.
Jeremiah this way.
Here it go.
Tell Dad to send Jeremiah this way.
Huh? Push you in the water.
Just keep an eye on him, David.
Let's stop.
Yeah. And then?
Here go another empty boat.
Let me go.
No, sir, we all gotta go to Fiesta, Texas tomorrow.
Why we couldn't have one that lit up?
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo está? Bien, bien.
Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Let's go, let's go. My name is Steven. I'm going to take you on about a 35-minute journey covering about 2.5 miles of the souls and the cultures of San Antonio. Welcome, y'all's family vacation from Houston. Welcome, everybody. Few rules before we get going. Please don't stand at any time. Keep your arms and hands inside the railing. No smoking. Nothing.
Nothing.
If needed be, there's life jackets up underneath you. If you find yourself in the river, splash around, scream and holler, say, oh Lord, somebody help me, and I will get you a life jacket. Or you can just stand up and walk out. It's 3 feet deep.
I guess we won't be drowning. Just grab babies.
Some of the highlights are this statue over here to the right, and Pancho Villa's last known saddle and Santa Anna's ceremonial
It's
sword.
gonna be the death for you. I told Sister he could log on with my phone to Instagram.
There's 5 of these bridges here right in San Antonio. The unique thing about these bridges, they are not welded together. Nuts, bolts, screws, few reinforcements, that's about it. These fancy bridges are made in Berlin, Connecticut.
Got him.
Y'all thought they were fast.
Got him.
There'll be a sculpture over here on the right commemorating the first Catholic Mass held in this area in 1691. It's
Brighten it
also
up so it looks
called
like
Marriage
daytime.
Island. Yearly, about 300 marriages will take place right here on this heart-shaped island. Now, it's supposed to be lucky to get married there. At least that's what my brother thinks. He's been married there 3 times.
Oh shoot.
Cántale.
Congratulations, guys. Double wedding.
I have my camera looking like it's daytime.
Oh, I was about to say.
This one. Where's my taser?
Then I jump off the boat.
I hear it too. Man, this one's an attitude back here with me. What's this one's name back here?
Which one?
Yeah, she's a rough one.
Baby girl. Stop.
She gave me eyes like, don't do that again. On the right, the Westin Hotel, that's where the visiting team stays when they play against the San Antonio Spurs.
Go Rockets!
Just imagine James Harden right up there. James Harden right up there.
Well, which hotel he said? This one? What?
James Harden is in the hotel?
I looked at that, I said, there's Stephen Curry up there. I'm just like, jump! Jump! You can do it!
He should have jumped during the playoffs.
The big building on the left, probably the most talked about building here on the Riverwalk, called the Tower Life Building now. Well, when they built it in 1929, originally it was called the Smith & Young Building. If you look at the top, you will see gargoyles that hang out over the side.
Where?
The very top.
Oh, yeah.
And if you saw the movie Ghostbusters, then you ought to realize that That is not the building.
I was about to say because
That building is in Manhattan.
yard.
Well, let me show you something creepy, guys. Look right above the tree line here. Y'all see these scary, ugly faces on the same building?
Oh yeah.
Those are called grotesque masks. Look real close.
There's something
When the
there.
man is happy, the woman is not.
Where?
And when the woman is happy, the man is not. And these groups of two are here. The only time they both get happy at the same time, look on the side of the building. When you finally separate them, so they both get happy. That seems about right.
Yep.
Shut up.
Sorry.
So y'all realize it later. It'll be a surprise. Look over here, yonder, over on the right side is the International Center. Houses trade offices of North American countries, the United States, Canada, and Mexico. And at the bottom is where we keep some of our 43 boats. Straight in front of us, built in 1897. But guys, please don't go get you a room there for the night. You will not like your stay. Don't get you a room. That is the Bexar County Courthouse.
There.
Straight ahead. Let me show you something. You like haunted stuff? Yeah. Okay, I got something for you. Turn around and look at the building with the gargoyles one more time. Behind us. Where the flagpole comes into what appears to be a haunted house at the very top. You see the haunted house?
Oh, at the very top.
It looks small, but it's about the same height as the 2 floors right here. It's big.
Oh, wow.
They say. And then this part right here, see how it makes it look like a big ship, like a Titanic ship? Like this will be the front. Like I'm king of the world right here, and then the tall part is the back of the ship. Y'all see the ship?
Yep.
Don't lie to me.
I can kind of see it.
You don't see the ship? This will be the front of the ship, and like the tall part will be the back of the ship.
I get what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I can see
Do
it.
you
I
see
see
the
it.
ship yet?
It's like a triangle. Like the triangle.
Oh my gosh, for $12 we'll show you next time. So ma'am, can you at least hear the foghorn from the ship? You hear the foghorn?
Right under me.
You can hear that, right? Okay. Good.
He said, what a tough crowd.
This is floodgate number 4. It goes up in the case of a flood. We're headed into the flood channel. It's about 15 feet deep through here. If you look to the far, far left, you'll see how it falls off like the end of the world back there. Hey, it pretty much does. There's a dam back there, so we're not going that way. Now, the reason why the floodgates exist, heavy rain came over the San Antonio area so much in 1921 that water was 9 feet above street level here.
What you
Wow.
like?
So they came up with an idea of floodgates that would either raise up or lower and actually will secure the riverwalk off from flooding. The water will rush from the north through the Locking Dam and then out the South Dam. It's worked ever since. The riverwalk opened up in 1941. No flooding. Alright, this isn't really part of the tour, but I think it's interesting. Look on the fence on the left. It's called lead locks. Now, what 2 people do that love each other, they bring themselves a lock. They lock the lock, they twist the key, they throw in the river to show their love for each other. If it does not work out, though, somebody's got to come back and get that lock, or they will forever be linked together in some way. But look close. People are smart. They bring combination locks. Lies the combination.
Combination lock. Love lock fence.
And on the right, the Alamo National Lake Center, when they built it in 1929. Now the Missouri Plaza Hotel. They kept the original bank vault inside. And then up the steps on the left, the San Fernando Cathedral is the oldest standing church in Texas, finished in 1731. So they do the free show on the side of the church on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday called Saga about the Discovery Settlement Development of San Antonio. It's a free show at 9, 9:30, and 10. Really cool show. Get a chance. Definitely go check it out. Now this big tree stands at 90 feet tall. It is 250 plus years old and 25 feet around. And it has a name. They call it the Ben Milam tree. According to legend, Ben Milam was shot by Mexican snipers from the top of that tree in 1835.
How did he get up there?
Y'all see how the other floodgate went up in the case of a flood. Now this one comes down in the case of a flood. Like a guillotine. You see how up there it looks like a big guillotine?
Yeah.
It's going to come down. They test it every night at 9:15 p.m. as well.
Hold on, what time is it?
Let me.
What time is it?
Every night, 9:15 p.m.
It's 9:07. Go quicker.
Sometimes it's early, sometimes it's late.
Go a little bit faster. Oh my God. I was like, y'all are out of there.
Here's the part of the tour you can make up your own story because I got nothing. Look over here on the right. Anybody notice anything strange about this tree? The building is haunted itself. But
It's coming out the wall?
Coming out of the walls.
That's right. You'll see the cat sign? I see there's a cat sign. His little eyes. Up these steps to the right, the Esquire Tavern. It opened up in 1933. It opened up a minute after Prohibition ended. Some way, somehow, it was already fully stocked full of alcohol.
Can I get a drink?
And on the left, the chandeliers. That is how high the water rose to in the Great Flood of 1921. Ironically, that is actually where you would go to pay your water bill. The city public service building provided electric, gas, water for commercial and residential areas. During the 1920s, they were building fancy motion picture palaces all over the nation. A great example of one of those will be coming up over here on the right, called the Aztec Theater. It opened up in 1926. It's a silent motion picture palace where they say Charlie Chaplin performed there.
Thirsty Aztec.
Straight in front of us, if you saw the movie Selena starring Jennifer Lopez, you might recognize the bridge in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
There was a scene where Miss J-Lo sat right there at the top. Now, at the end of every concert, J-Lo still does a song on behalf of Selena. As she showed a big part of her career, did jumpstart after playing that role in the movie. On the left, La Mansion Hotel. It opened up in 1968, just in time for the World's Fair. But if you were looking at that site way back in 1853, you'd be looking at little boys studying for school at the St. Mary's Academy. They outgrew that site later on of St. Mary's School of Law. Then the building set vacant until two students came back and bought it. Turned it into the luxury hotel you see now. So this isn't really part of the tour, but I got something to show you that's pretty cool. Look on the left side of the river, high to the sky, like 20 stories up. The optical illusion looks like a skinny freestanding wall. Left side, 20 stories up, right about there.
Wow.
It looks flat.
Super flat.
So the drawing with shaped building is what throws the illusion of it being a flat wall. It's been Rick's Hospital, it's been there since 1930. It is a hospital to this day, fully functioning hospital. Not for little skinny people, it's a big hospital.
So you're not gonna mention the
The
bubble gum
birthplace of
shrimp?
Oliver North and Carol Burnett.
Forrest Gump?
You know, I'm hungry.
Regency was built in 1981. Now originally this building was supposed to be a lot taller, but after they realized if it was any taller it would cast a shadow on the Alamo, they brought it back down to 16 floors. The reason why San Antonio doesn't have a big skyline. Can't cast a shadow on the Alamo.
You know what he's singing? What?
On the right, the casino club.
Who?
That was the 20. There was two local society groups that need a place together for their big extravagant parties during Prohibition.
They even have a
So they got
CVS
that together
pharmacy.
right there. So the kids are always telling me, watch out for these ducks, watch out for the ducks. You can't run over these ducks. I've tried. I'm joking, we
He said
love
you
the
can't
ducks,
run
we
over
love
the
them.
ducks. He tried already.
Especially if they're roasted nice and crispy. I don't hurt them. On the left, they got a 60-ounce margarita with 13 shots of tequila. You drink it on Friday, you wake up on Sunday, and I said I have a good time on Saturday. Yes, it is. On the right, the Clipper Building. A statue of Robert Hugman. He's the architect of the Riverwalk. He put his office at the bottom in 1941 right there. The reason why he did that, he wanted to show that his Riverwalk design was safe and sound from flooding, and to encourage other businesses to come down here. Which they did. The first is over here to the right, called Casa Rio. Opened up in 1946. They were the first to offer riverside dining. So this is the natural flow of the San Antonio River. And now we're headed into the man-made portion. Now the reason why they made this part right here, they needed a way to connect the natural San Antonio River to the world festivities of 1968 Hemisphere.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm on live.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
Good work. Okay, go ahead.
I got hit with it.
That water is splashing.
Are the fish in the water? Yes, there's fish. Catfish, perch, sunfish, piranha, sunglass fish, camera fish, cell phone fish. A lot of different items in depth of the river. What else in depth of the river? They say on average, 3 people a day will fall in from the sides of the river. Yeah, it's usually them 60-ounce margaritas have a lot to do with that. And straight in front of us, the Marriott River Center. It opened up in 1988. Now, it itself is not historic. What was historic was what once stood there in 1906. The Fairmont Hotel was a 3-story, 1,600-ton hotel. Now, Marriott wanted the spot that they were in, so they agreed to have the old hotel lifted up, put on 36 dollies, and moved away with gravel trucks where it still resides at South Alamo and Nueva Street.
Look at the little waterfall.
High to the sky to the right, the alien-looking ship is called the Tower of Americas. What you're looking at is an observation deck and a restaurant that revolves around one time every hour.
Established on June 13, 1691, making this city 320.
Now, if you'd like to go up there, it is $12. Me personally, I like to go up by the elevator, but maybe you're more adventurous and would like to go up all 952 steps.
No, I'm good.
Oh, thank you. They do contests. The guy goes up all 952 steps in 5 minutes and 18 seconds. What did that prove to me? Hey, that you ain't got no sense. There was an elevator right there. When they built the Tower of America, it was
Miracle.
the tallest freestanding observation deck in the United
Miracle.
States for some 30 years. So they built a taller one. And that one was actually in Las Vegas, Nevada, the Stratosphere. This is deep. Now, when San Antonio was awarded the World's Fair in 1968, the city was short on modern hotel rooms and needed to have a hotel clinic. So that's what they did. They built this hotel coming up on the far, far right up to the trees. You'll be able to see it. The far right is the 500-room hotel called the Hilton Palacio del Rio Hotel. See how it looks like big building blocks over there? Now the reason why it looks like big building blocks is that's pretty much exactly what it is. Each room was built off-site with the beds, nightstands, dressers, lamps, already completed, bolted down to the ground. Then they brought them over and hoisted them up. That's how they were able to do it in only 202 days. The whole hotel built in 202 days.
Wow.
Like Legos and stacked them.
Cost effective.
I didn't count the stairs on that one. I didn't, someone else did. Man, she's giving me grief back here. She's heckling me. Isn't there a seat up front for her? I'm playing with you. So you're in the Henry P. Gonzalez Convention Center right now. The name for the first Mexican-American elected to the House of Representatives, which he served from 1961 to 1999. And his son actually also served from 1999 to 2013, so 52 years. The Gonzalez men kept it into the House of Representatives. Now coming up over on the right side of the river, the Lila Cototita, she was the first female mayor here in San Antonio from 1975 to 1981. Now what's interesting is right above the lettering that says her name, that is not a painting affair. That is 400,000 individual stones collected from all over Mexico. 400,000. Now I get frustrated with the 400-piece puzzle. He was able to put 400,000 stones on the side of a building. His name is Juan O'Gorman. It's called Confluence of Civilization. Now the other thing that he did that I definitely could not be able to do, how about this? He took 1 year of his life and he did it for absolutely free as a gift from Mexico to the city of San Antonio for the World's Fair of 1968.
It's cool.
For free.
Oh yeah, I feel a cool breeze.
No wonder he's a starving artist. You gotta get paid. So there's a lot to do around San Antonio. Of course, you can be getting splashed by Shamu. You can ride roller coasters at Six Flags, Fiesta, Texas. You can also go underneath the ground to the caverns, the caves of the Natural Bridge Caverns. The Schlitterbahn Water Park is ranked the #1 water park in the whole world. It's pretty close to here. And